Ready to level up your graphic design game? In this masterclass, I am breaking down the exact process I use at CD Studio Lab to create custom high-converting assets using Canva's advanced frame techniques. No templates, no shortcuts, just professional design. Let's get started. We are starting with a clean canvas. Instead of searching for a pre-made circle, we are using quarter circle frames. While you are dragging these into place, keep your show guides turned on. This ensures your margins are mathematically perfect, which is the hallmark of a professional designer. Now as I drop the images for summer, autumn, winter and spring, notice the placement. Notice how I am double clicking each frame to adjust the smart crop. To keep the design professional, I am aligning the focal point of each photo toward the outer edge of the circle. This creates a sense of outward movement and keeps the center clean for our typography. Notice how the natural lighting in these shots already complements the layout without needing heavy filters. It's vital to ensure that the most seasonal part of the image, like the bright sun or the falling leaves, is perfectly centered in each quadrant. Now I add circle in the middle and centered it. After that I share and download it as PNG. Now I take a new canvas and go to the upload section and upload the image, remove background and place it in the corner. Now I change the background color. Now I take duplicate and rotate it to autumn 90 degree. Again I am changing the background color of this. Again I am taking duplicate and rotate it to spring, changing the background color of this as well. Again I am taking duplicate and rotate it to winters. Again I am changing the background color of this. For the typography we want a bold sans serif that commands attention. I am placing the seasonal labels in the bottom left. Between these pages you can see the option of transitions. Click on it. Now click on match and move and increase the duration. Scroll down, apply between all pages. And that's the final result, a custom high-end seasonal graphic. If you want to see more from scratch tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button. Also let me know in the comments, do you prefer designing from scratch or editing templates? I will see you in the next one.